Roar, I'm very strong.
Oh no, what can we do against this giant monster?
There's only one man who can help us. I'm going to call him.
Okay, but who is he?
It's...
No, Bert and Backman.
Okay, Bird. We gotta go to the city. Because there is a monster. Ooh, he's very big. Arr! You have defeated me, Bert and Backman. Blah.
Yay! Thank you, Bert and Backman.
Another job cleared by the Birdman. This time on ABC News, we will be interviewing Bert and Backman, who has just defeated a giant monster. The dangerous monster killed 2 people, but no more damage was done because Bert and Backman ended the monster's life. Well, great job, Bert and Backman. But one more question. How exactly are you involved in all of this? Well, I drove the bird.
Bert and Backman. Most of the time he doesn't do anything.